everyone, I'm back. So, hope this time the pour goes better than the last one with the two disasters in it. Okay, once again, thank you all for sponsoring the channel. Now, I have planned a different sort of pour. It's going to be a big one. So it's 30 by 40. This is it. Let's see. Oops. This one needs the little... Let's see if it's better. Nope, still not better. Have to pull them out a little bit. Okay, that has to work. Okay. I'm going to pour out of this. So I'm going to pour right over it like that. And then I'm going to do another pour on top of it. I got it all in my mind. Not sure if it's going to work. We'll see. So I'm going to put in some color. Like that. And a little bit of bronze. Like that. And some more of that. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Everything's going wrong. I don't know why. I don't think after this one I'm not going to be doing any more pouring. Look, I just dropped the cup right smack in the middle of this. Oh boy. So this time I'm going to add a little bit of dark brown. Then a little bit, we'll just keep it like that. Okay, here we go. That is looking good. Now I do have a lot of color, which I do like. There it is. And I'm going to torch it. Okay. That's kind of nice. But I do need to spread it all over the canvas. And I will need a little palette knife to help me do that. Okay, that's that. Let's see if I got it covered. Well, not much, but we'll see. That's a lot of paint that I need on this one. I should have done a little bit more, but it'll have to do. Okay, that's that. And now I still have to cover the other bit. I think I'll have to make a little bit more in a little cup. Let's see where we have a little cup. And a little bit of bronze. And I need a little stir thing. Okie dokie. Now let's put it on here. That's nice. There it goes right over. Okay, that's really pretty. This corner I really like. That's it. Fixing the corners. Pulling it down so as to create those cells. Okay, looking good. Just have to tip off a little bit of the paint here on the corner. It's a little thick. Okay, that's it. Now that's a lot of color. And what I want to do is add ribbons on top, yes, because I want to squish everything that's on the canvas now. So I'll put this away. Well, we'll just use some of this. Ooh, it gets so slippery when you have everything contaminated with paint. Now I want a lot of blue in here. And more bronze. And I want, for the contrast, I'm going to add the chocolate brown. And give it a nice little swirl. Okay, now I'm looking for the parts that I don't really like that much. Let's see. Now I like this, and you can't pick it up, but this is all bronze coming through, so that's kind of cool. I like this top bit here. I want to leave that alone, but I want to come over. This is kind of nice too, because this is all bronze, what's peeking through. This is not that interesting, so let me do something here. That's a kind of it. But now we're gonna really tilt it. And I'm gonna make it really roll and do wavy things. See that? That is nice. That's kind of chaotic looking, but it's doing such beautiful things. That's really nice. But we're not ready yet because I want the same thing going on over here. This I really like. I'm going to add things on top. This, what you see here, the ribbon thing, it's not, maybe if I could get a little cells, I'd like it a little more. Yep, there it comes. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's looking good. Because right now, what I'm imagining is when I put blue dots on, I'm going to put the blue dots here in this really sort of opaque piece. This I really like. I love this. I love that. Maybe a little here. That's where I'm missing something. So more blue. And bronze, because I'm really liking the bronze in this. And a little bit of brown. I want some more brown popping up there. Okay. Folding it in a little bit. And now I have to think, because I want it to come, oops, you can't see what I'm doing. I want it to come up here, go over here, come around there, and drop off there. So coming up here, coming down there, and dropping off there. That's what I like. And of course I have to give it a little tap. Ooh, there's a lot of paint on there. I'm hoping it's not going to be cracking. Yeah, I gotta tip it one more time because there's a little bit of thickness here, and I want to keep this so I can't make it go down there. I have to make it come back. So let's see if we can do that. Yep, it's doing it. Oh yeah, stop. Okay, now we have a really, really beautiful piece. I like it. Yep. So, gotta fix the corners where I grabbed it with my gloves. But this is the plan. So, where you see the parts where it's really, you know, nothing going on, that all this stuff down here, up here, going across here, this also, that's where I'm gonna add the dots. But I'm gonna wait till it's pretty much dry before I do that, because I want them to be nice and round and float on top, and that's what we're gonna be doing. So just have to fix up a little corners here. Oops, so yeah, a little bit here, missed here a little bit. That's cool. That'll be nice. And I have to be careful that it doesn't crack because the paint is pretty thick that I got on here now. But I'm telling you, this is awesome. I'm going to give you a close-up, so don't go away. Gotta just fill up these corners here. Okay, that is beautiful. I'm very happy with it up to now. Yep, liking it. Okay, I'll keep the audio in. There it is. Can you see what's going on? That is beautiful stuff. That is really cool. Oops, a little glare in there. But can you see all the things that are going on? And this is all the metallics. You can see it now. You can pick it up. All metallics. A lot of really beautiful effects going on. I love that. So I'll put you back up there. See if I can get my monitor back. No, monitor doesn't want to come back. Oh yes, it does. There it is. So I hope you still have audio and video. Okay, I'm happy with it. I'm going to keep it like this. I'm sort of glad that only a little bit of blue is turning up. There's a little blue there, up here and down here. So when I add the dots, it'll pull it all together. But so far I'm really liking it. Now, I have another thing planned. And I'm not sure where I'm going to do that, but I want to do one of those. Do you guys also follow Emma Lindstrom? She does this really, really fluid paint. And then afterwards she does stuff to the painting too. Well, I'm going to try that one too on a really big canvas. So I'll have to set up the camera differently so that you can see me from far. I won't be talking that much because you maybe won't be able to hear me, but you'll see what I'll be doing. And I'm sort of looking forward to that because I got some new stuff. Oh, wait a minute, I'll get it. This is new stuff. This is from Golden. Yeah, pretty expensive. Yeah, I know. That stuff, Golden, they overprice stuff. And it's pretty creepy stuff too. All these warning signs on it. Usually I don't like that, but okay. I think it's only when you get it in your eyes or you're drinking it. Like, who would drink it, right? Nobody. Good thing I don't have kids around the studio because I got a lot of stuff here that's not good if you drink it. But I'm going to be using this. So this is really a wetting agent that you can thin down your acrylics almost to the that it's like watercolor. So we're going to be using this, and I'm pretty excited to do that. So I'm going to put this one away, let it dry, hope it doesn't crack, because there's pretty much paint on this canvas. And that's a question I've had before on YouTube. A lot of people are having trouble with cracking of the paint. And usually it is because you leave too much paint on your canvas. You're not tilting enough. That's number one. Number two, the paint is too thick. And number three, some people don't have airflow under the canvas, so the top will dry real fast. And then what's under, doesn't dry as fast, and then you get cracking. So always, put it up. Make sure that the air can circulate under your canvas. And then, usually you don't have that much problems with cracking. And of course, if you do a couple of brands together and you have the, if you're lucky, you get them really close together, the two brands that dry the same speed. But if you're unlucky and you get one on that side of the range and that one very slow, one very fast, that's cracking too. So we'll just have to see how this works, because I have two things going on in here. I have the Winsor & Newton and I have my metallic mica paint. So we'll just see. Let's just do one more air bubble release, because I see some little bubbles. We don't want too many bubbles. Okay, that'll have to do it. I'm just waiting for me to, let go of the torch, that the torch falls smack in the middle. Today is not a good pouring day. Today I'm fumble fingers. Okay guys, that's it. I'm gonna put this one on YouTube, and tomorrow, I don't know. Tomorrow I'm doing a workshop, so I'm not sure if I have that much time to do videos, but Sunday I'll be back with lots of time to do them. And I'll make up a big stack of photo paper for all the squish squashes that you guys like. I might even put this away and leave the paint here and cut up some photo paper and come back with a video with only squishes. I think I can do that. Okay, see you all in the next video. Love you all to pieces. Liebe euch alle. Bye bye.